Getting a master's degree in industrial and systems engineering basically means that students are exposed to material beyond the typical undergraduate education. They have access to many advanced courses and learn much more. This means, compared to a Bachelor of Science degree, higher starting salaries, greater earning potential long term, and also increased probability of leadership roles. I would say these two programs are perfect stepping stones for people who may not necessarily have an industrial and systems engineering bachelor's degrees and want to start a career in this area in the shortest possible time by taking courses that fit to their interests and professional career expectations. Even if the students have an industrial and systems engineering bachelor's degree, thanks to the flexibility of our programs, students can explore many areas and become a lot more prepared for their professional careers. Hi, my name is Sinan. I am an industrial and systems engineering professor. I am also the director of the two course-based master's programs in the Industrial and Systems Engineering department. These two programs are Systems Engineering and Analytics, or SEA in short, and Human Factors and Health Systems Engineering, or HFHS in short. As the name suggests, the Systems Engineering and Analytics, or SEA, master's program is specifically focused on analyzing systems through mathematical and organizational models, as well as data we need to study and improve these systems. Students can choose to focus on specific areas such as operation research, machine learning, data analytics, supply chain, quality, continuous improvement, or decide to put together various courses that match their interests and professional goals. Similarly, Human Factors and Health Systems Master's Program uses human factors and ergonomics foundation to understand and improve systems where human-system interaction is crucial. Although it is quite popular to focus on health systems, students are not limited to this area because human factors are quite critical to almost every system we have. Well, our department has world-class and very dedicated academic personnel that keeps our program one of the best in the nation. We provide ample opportunities for students to engage with faculty in various forms, including office hours, research, projects, and campus activities. Even though students have a total of 24 months to finish these programs, motivated students can complete all the requirements for the degree in a 16-month time frame. These graduate programs are intended for students who seek advanced entry in any field that needs industrial and systems engineers, including technology, manufacturing, telecommunication, healthcare, finance, logistics, government, entertainment, consulting, and education. We have graduates in most Fortune 500 companies such as Google or Amazon or Mayo Clinic. We also have some graduates who decide to choose local industries and startups. You can find industrial engineers wherever there is a need for improvement. I first came to UW-Madison in 2008 to get my PhD degree. After almost a decade of faculty experience in other academic institutions, I finally feel that I am back home in Madison. It's a beautiful city surrounded by lakes. Receiving 3 master's degrees and having worked at other universities, I have been to many campuses, and our campus is one of the best ones in the country. We have a great atmosphere here with many academic and social activities, and the facilities are state-of-the-art. I was once a student here, and it is a very good feeling to have the opportunity to be back as a professor, sharing my knowledge and experience with my students.